Hey everyone, this is Lance from West Coast Hiking, and today I'm on the Ecology Trail in the Presidio of San Francisco. Never been up here, but let's check it out. Okay, my first stop is Inspiration Point up these stairs over here. We'll see how inspiring this point is. Let's go check it out. So was Inspiration Point inspiring to you? Pretty nice overlook. Saw Alcatraz out there, but it is really getting smoky. The California fires are not too far from here, and a lot of smoke just blowed in, so the wind probably changed. Here, check it out. Maybe you can see some of it. Can you see some of that smoke coming through the trees? It makes it look kind of just hazy. Gets too smoky. I may have to call this hike quits for the day. Okay, next stop on the Ecology Trail is El Polin Springs. Nice little redwood forest, huh? It's hard to believe that it's basically in the middle of San Francisco, but it's pretty cool. Let's keep going. Let's find this little pond or lake. Sign says this is what's left of some early 19th century dwellings in here. See how they made their walls back then. Okay, so I'm hunting for this spring that's supposed to be down here somewhere, and I think I found it. Could this be it? Not much of a spring, is it? It's a pretty cool little boardwalk here. Might be a good place to stop and get a drink of water, but not from that spring. Nice shady spot. Go see what's over here. Did I find the spring? Is this the spring? Almost looks like a well. Youch. Okay. A few bushes on the back of the neck there. Well, kind of yuck. I guess it comes down from multiple directions. There and here. And this one's got the little water in it. Goes to this thing here. And then off over there. Okay, enough of this trail. Let's get back up to the Ecology Trail and hit the next point. Look what we have here. We have some wild raspberries still around. Anybody want any? I don't. I don't know where they've been or who's been on them. All right, I'm back on the Ecology trail now, and this trail has started to get busy. Maybe it's just the time of the day. Let's keep going though.